So this is a video showing the package that it came in, and I'm going to my basement to show the hookup and the setup that is not working. Here's all the codes and everything. Here is the box that it came in. This is the box. Here's the code again, so you could see it. This is the box that it came in. It's still not working. Here's the setup. So I don't know what other setup there could be, because it's not working. There's the setup. We tried everything, and they're still not working. To no avail, it's not working.